Hey everybody, thank you so much for stopping by. This particular DIY has been in the works for several months. Part of my holdup was not being able to find the materials I needed from Dollar Tree. Specifically round mirrors and binder rings. I actually went to 4 different Dollar Trees within, I want to say, a 30-mile radius of my home, and I couldn't find these items, so I was just about ready to give up. I took it upon myself to order mirrors off of Amazon. Of course, these don't have the frame, and for this particular DIY, the idea that inspired me, they do use the frame in the DIY, so I'm doing mine obviously different. However, funny, last minute after I got my mirrors, I found one round mirror in one of my Dollar Trees, and the glass was coming out of the frame, and I thought, okay, the universe can be very ironic sometimes, and that just proved it. And then I ordered binder rings off of Holler, but it turned out that they were smaller than what I actually needed, although I am going to be using them in the DIY zone, and you will get to see them and how I use them. But I wound up actually finding a few packs in one of my Dollar Trees. So I don't know, it's just crazy sometimes. Right now I'm looking for bamboo cutting boards, and I can't find one bamboo board out of either of my 2 Dollar Trees. And it's like, okay, I know months ago they had them. I've seen them. I didn't think anything of them at the time. So I don't know, folks, if you decide to, you want to do a similar DIY like this, I will include the link to the mirrors that I ordered. I'm just saying you have to order them by the dozen, and it does run over $25, but I'm going to be using them in other DIY, so I considered it an investment, considering I'm not going to be able to find the round mirrors in my Dollar Trees. I don't know if it's a Pennsylvania thing or just my particular area, I don't know. But anywho, so the mirrors from Amazon also are a little bit bigger than the ones from Dollar Tree, and they have these little black little pads here on the back. I'm going to leave mine on for this DIY because it will protect my dresser. And like I said, this is going to be done a little different, but I am going to include the link to J Munee's video that originally inspired me, so you can check out how she did it with the actual Dollar Tree mirror. I'm doing it obviously a little bit different. So that is the mirror that I'm using in this DIY. And this is one of the binder rings I'm talking about. They come in a pack of 12 in Dollar Tree. Yeah, I think it's 12. These are 2-inch. They're silver colored. For this DIY though, I went ahead and I painted mine with the Miracle metallic spray paint. Both sides I each gave a coat to. And then, because I wanted to glam this up a little bit, I used Mod Podge, and I mixed together what silver and gold glitter I had left, and I in turn gave these a little bit of shine and sparkle, and I think they look super, super pretty. So, I think this is going to look really, really cute. So it's actually a very simple DIY. It just takes a few minutes of patience. So now that you've seen my mirror, and I've already sprayed the rings and glittered them up a little bit, now we're going to get into attaching them around the mirror, and I'm going to show you how to do just that. Okay guys, as you can see, I already have two of the rings glued on, and I am using some hot glue to attach one to the mirror, and I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm just holding it down for a moment there. If you do happen to get excess glue on the glass, you can always, when it's all done drying, you can use some acetone polish remover, and you can wipe off any excess if you think it just looks a little bit too globby. Okay. I'm holding that together for a moment. And just put a little bit on the inside here. Okay, and so you keep working your way around the mirror. Now this is if you're just using the plain glass. Obviously if you're using the actual picture frame, or not picture frame, the mirrored frame from Dollar Tree, it's glued on top of the frame after it's painted, so it's a little bit different scenario. Either way, they look super nice when they're done. I can tell you that. And so this is all you really, if you're using glass, this is all you need to do, is just carefully go around and attach the rings around the whole width of the mirror. So now I have all of the rings hot glued, and I have E6000 also on them, and as you can see, it's looking pretty good, but now it definitely needs to dry 24 hours, well, at least 12 hours. I can actually clean up some of the excess glue in that in about 12 hours, but for now, it's good. these are drying and attaching, and I'm going to put this in a safe spot, and I will come back to it tomorrow. Okay, the tray has been drying for several hours overnight, and I just wanted to show you, yeah, there's a little bit of glue globbing, and I am going to clean it up with some acetone polish remover and a Q-tip or two, but look at how pretty that looks so far. And that is even without any kind of a frame base. Just look at how pretty that actually is. Like, I am really, really impressed with how this turned out. Well, hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit my subscribe button. You'll be notified every time I upload a new video for any of my playlists. As always, I thank you so much for watching. I'm going to be having a giveaway coming up soon. I surpassed one of my goals, which was 30 subscribers, and thanks to you guys, I am at 33. Help me out, guys, because my next goal is going to be 50. I will be doing a video beginning of the week, Monday or Tuesday, which is going to be specifically about a giveaway and what I'm giving away and how to enter it. I'm also including down below, as I said, the link to these mirrors from Amazon if you decide to go that route. If you can't find mirrors from Dollar Tree, you can use them in other DIY, so they're not a waste of money. And I also have the link to the original J Munee video that inspired me, and you can check out how she did a tray with the actual mirror and frame from Dollar Tree. So let me know, guys, if you decide to try it the way I did it, and don't be afraid to send me a pic and show me what you did. I think it has elegant glam just because of that little touch of glitter that a little bit says a lot. So, and once again, thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you soon. Bye.